Completed our final exams. Yes, it's me. I'm finally done with exams. I'm done being an undergraduate. But actually, I still have a few more steps to like skip that part. But at least exams are not part of my worries anymore. I am done. I am done. I am done. I finished my finals and I am extremely happy. Extremely over the moon right now. Ah, these views are real. Anyways, this week I have to continue the entire becoming our situation, and I don't have any excuse anymore. I am done with exams, so I can now focus on more interesting things like French and embedded systems and investing and financial literacy and figuring out my life. I still have a lot to do, don't I? But we're gonna figure it out soon. And I am so happy. I am genuinely so happy. Over the moon right now. I finally picked up my embedded system course after a very long time. It's been like 2 weeks now. It's like very long 2 weeks. I finally picked it up and I kind of forgot a lot of things. So I had to do a little revision because I'm still in the learning process and I have a very forgetful brain. So I had to like check why this works and stuff, so that I revisit some parts of the course. But now I'm back on track. I've gotten at least, I now understand the previous code. I just have to like continue with what I have to do and do more projects and stuff like that. As you can see, I'm all prepped up. I have my sign out on Saturday. This Saturday. Yeah. So I am signing out this Saturday. And it's kind of, I don't know how to feel about it. I thought I was going to be very emotional about everything, but like I was very happy. I guess these are emotions too. No crying for me. Anyways, I finally taken up the things I love and French too. Yeah, I am back to Francais. Anyways, that's all I've been doing for now. And I'm going to be showing you a little preview of my sign out because what is becoming without saying I'll be happy. Right? It's currently 6 a.m. and I built another thing. It's kind of simple though, but like on, off. Okay, so that's cool, isn't it?